Have you ever found yourself struggling to create visually stunning designs only to feel frustrated when they don't look like what you imagined? You're not alone in this, and there's a way out. It's by learning graphic design theory. Maybe you come across designs online or in the real world and wonder how to create them yourself. If this sounds like you, it's time to master graphic design theory. Graphic design and visual communication are skills that can be learned and will benefit you for the rest of your life.
Imagine having the expertise to craft designs that not only captivate your audience, but also effectively communicate your message. That's the power you'll gain by mastering graphic design principles in this course. Whether you're a budding designer, a content creator, or just someone who has a knack for creativity, this course will give you the skills to excel in graphic design.
Throughout this course, you'll dive deep into core design principles like light, color, typography, and design layout to create visually pleasing compositions. You will learn how to communicate visually, which is crucial because it enables the effective transmission of ideas and information in a universally accessible and engaging manner. You will gain practical insights into design software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Figma, and Canva. You'll grasp the basics of how software and computers operate in relation to graphic design. You will acquire highly desired skills utilized in all industries and develop the self-confidence necessary to produce your own content for multiple platforms.
And the best part, you need no prior experience. While this course does get to an advanced level, we'll walk you through each concept with step-by-step tutorials, practical demonstrations, and real-world examples to reinforce your learning.
Dive into our free preview lessons to see why this course is perfect for you. You'll get to see the style of our videos, and you'll even learn a thing or two.
Enroll now to start your journey in mastering graphic design. We can't wait to help you on your creative journey.